Hello friends, welcome to the session on PhD coursework. In this session, we'll be discussing about tracking changes in the Microsoft Word document. In this session, we will see how a referee or your research supervisor or guide can make the changes in your Word document, how you can see those changes and how you can recorrect those changes. Friends, frequently, whenever you prepare any research document such as synopsis, thesis, or any research paper, then frequently what we do is that we take the print of the paper or we handwrite the paper and we hand it to the supervisor or guide. And now supervisor or guide will take the red pen and will make corrections in that research document. And then you make those corrections in your document before sending the research document to the concerned authority. But this whole process can also be carried out online or by using computer in the Microsoft Word. That is, whenever you prepare any Word file related with the research article or synopsis or thesis, then you can send such file by email to the concerned supervisor or guide. And then he can make the changes by using computer only, by using Microsoft Word only. And those changes can be resent by the supervisor to the research student. Research student now can verify those changes and either he can accept those changes or he will ask for the re-revision of the changes. So in this session, we will see how this tracking changes can be achieved by using the Microsoft Word. In this session, I will be sharing with you my computer screen and we will discuss how it can be achieved in Microsoft Word. So tracking of the changes. Track changes is a very good facility that is being provided in Microsoft Word, and that will allow you to see what changes have been made to the document. The tools for track changes are being found on the reviewing tab of the ribbon. So whenever you see the ribbon part of your Microsoft Word, then there is a review tab. And when you click on the review tab, then you will find that there is a button or menu provided for track changes. So by using this, you can make the changes in the document as shown in this window, that you can delete some line, you can delete some word, you can also write some comments that are useful for the researcher. So this is just like doing a red pen and making the changes on your printed document. So whenever you want to begin with the track changes, then you must click on the review tab first of all, as shown in this window, and then click on the track changes. This button is there, this menu is there, so you have to click on this menu. And once you click on this menu, then it is possible that you can make the changes to the document, and it is possible that you can view what kind of changes you have made to the document. So as far as the document views is concerned, there are normally 4 types of the views available. After you have tracked the changes, the first view is being called as the final showing markup. So this shows the document with the changes that are being displayed. Another view is the final. This shows the changed document without the changes being displayed. Another is the original showing markup, where the original document will be shown with the changes displayed. And original means only original document will be showed to you without any changes. So to change the view, you can click the appropriate choice in the tracking group of the review tab on the ribbon. So these are the options available to view a document, such as final showing markup, final, original showing markup, or original. So you can click and you can see how the document will change when you change the view. The show markup feature will allow you to view different items, such as comments, formatting, and choose to view the different author comments also. So it is also possible that you can view the different authors or different reviewer comments. Now, Microsoft Word will provide you the facility, that is, you can accept the change or you can reject the change. So if you feel that the changes are not appropriate, then in that case, you can reject it. Or if you feel that the changes are appropriate, then you can accept it. So when you view the changes in the document, you can choose either to accept or to reject. And this will allow you to review the document by each change, to accept or reject each change. So particular change can be accepted or even particular change can be rejected. So this is the accept button, or there is also a reject button. So either you can accept it or you can reject it. Now, whenever the reviewer or the supervisor want to add some comments, then comments can be added by clicking on the new comment button. So new comment icon will allow you to add the new comments to the document. And to add the new comments, you have to place your cursor at the appropriate position in the document. And then you can click on the new comment and you can add whatever comment you want to write in the document. So these facilities are being provided in the Microsoft Word. Now let us understand it by doing it actually in any Word document. Suppose already I have some Word document which is already created on my computer system. So I will just open it. So this is my Word document. And now if I click on the review button, then you will find that there is a track change button which is already clicked by me. And I am actually getting the original view. But now if I select a all markup view, then one can easily observe that already I have made certain changes in the document. So for example, this part I have deleted, this part also I have deleted, and I have added a comment in this part. Now suppose I'm not satisfied with this part of the document, and suppose I want to delete this, then simply I can press a delete so that this part will be deleted. And if I want to add any comment, then I can click on the review button, and here I can add a comment such as remove name. So such comment can be added into the document. So this is the login name which is appearing, and below which the comment is being appearing. So in this way, you can make the changes. As I told you, that whenever you want to make the changes, then you have to click this track change button. If I do not click it, then you will find that now the changes will not take place. So if I want the changes to take place, then I have to click this button so that it will be enabled. And also you can have a reviewing pane where you can see what kind of comments or what kind of changes have been made into the document by the reviewer. So in this way, you can see what are the different reviewing comments made by or changes made in the document. If you want to see your original document, then you can see the original document. So this is your original document where all the changes are removed. And if you want to see no markup, then this is what the changes have been made to the document. That is, the part which is being deleted is being removed. If you want to see all the markup, then you will find that all the comments and the part that is being removed or deleted will also be shown. So there are two buttons, accept or reject. So if you want to accept these changes, then you can accept it. Or if you want to reject these changes, then you can reject it. So every change that is being made into the document either can be accepted or it can be removed. So this is a very useful facility because this facility will allow us to create the changes, and whatever the changes are made, these changes will be highlighted to the creator and then the creator can decide whether to accept or reject such changes. Otherwise, if there is a Word file and if you remove certain part of the Word file and if you add certain part into the Word file, it becomes very difficult what kind of change is being made within a document, because it looks like a continuous text, and unless and until it is matched with the original text, we are not able to track the changes made in the document. So it is always better to make the use of this facility to track the changes in the document. So thank you, friends, for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood what we mean by track changes and how this facility can be used by a researcher and a supervisor. Thank you all.